The Samsung Galaxy M55s, just released, is the latest addition to the lineup, and it's turning heads for all the right reasons. Whether you're into high-performance gaming, social media, or snapping amazing photos, this phone delivers it all at a price point that's hard to ignore. Stay with me as we break down everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy M55s. The first thing you notice about the Galaxy M55s is its sleek and slim design. Measuring just 7.8mm in thickness and weighing 180 grams, this phone feels light in your hand but solid at the same time. It's got a nice premium finish and comes in two eye-catching colors, Thunder Black and Coral Green. The build quality feels durable, and with its hybrid dual SIM slot, you can either have two SIM cards or expand storage with a microSD card. The display is one of the highlights here. It's a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus panel, so you get vivid colors and deep blacks. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, everything from scrolling through apps to watching videos feels smooth and sharp. The screen can also hit up to 1000 nits of brightness, which means even under direct sunlight, you won't have trouble seeing what's on the screen. Plus, it has an always-on display, so you can quickly check time, notifications, and more without waking the device. Under the hood, the M55s packs the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset. This processor is built for speed, with its 4nm architecture, making everything from launching apps to playing high-end games a breeze. Paired with 8GB of RAM, this phone handles multitasking like a champ, whether you're switching between social media, streaming videos, or running multiple apps in the background. The phone comes in two storage options, 128GB and 256GB, giving you plenty of space for apps, games, and media. Plus, if you ever need more storage, you can use a microSD card in the shared SIM slot. Now, let's talk about the cameras, because this phone does not disappoint. On the back, there's a triple camera setup, with the star being a 50MP main sensor. This camera offers great detail and dynamic range, so your photos will look sharp even in tricky lighting. It also has optical image stabilization, OIS, which helps a lot when you're shooting videos or taking pictures in low light. Alongside the main sensor, there's an 8MP ultra-wide camera, perfect for capturing landscapes or group shots. It gives you a 123-degree field of view, so you can fit more into a single frame. Lastly, there's a 2MP macro camera for those close-up shots, but it's more of a bonus feature. The video capabilities are solid too, with 4K recording at 30 frames per second, along with 1080p at both 30 and 60 frames per second. The EIS, electronic image stabilization, keeps your video smooth even when you're on the move. For selfies, you're looking at a 50MP front camera, which is impressive at this price point. It takes sharp and detailed photos, and you can also record in 4K, making it great for social media or video calls. Battery life is another area where this phone shines. With a 5000 mAh battery, the M55s easily lasts a full day on a single charge, even with heavy use. And when you do need to charge it, the 45W fast charging gets you back up and running quickly. Samsung claims you can charge it up to 50% in just 30 minutes, so no more waiting around for your phone to juice up. The phone runs on Android 14, with Samsung's One UI 6.1 layered on top. One UI is known for being user-friendly and customizable, and Samsung has promised up to 4 major Android updates, so you'll stay current for years to come. Connectivity-wise, this phone has it all. You get 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, NFC for mobile payments, and Bluetooth 5.2 for fast, stable connections. Unfortunately, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, but with the rise of wireless earbuds, that might not be a deal-breaker for most. So, if you're looking for a smartphone that balances performance, design, and value, the Samsung Galaxy M55s is definitely worth considering. With its powerful specs, vibrant display, and solid camera system, it's a phone that can handle anything you throw at it. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check the link below to buy now. And before you go, be sure to watch another tech review video by clicking the end screen. Thanks for watching.